All right, so we are still using the Pythagorean theorem, except now we're just we're using the Pythagorean theorem to find the distance between points. So we always start by writing the Pythagorean theorem, right? A squared plus b squared equals c squared. And this says the distance between point A and M. So on our coordinate plane, we have to find A. A is here, and M is here. So what we're going to do is play connect the dots, right? So we want to find this distance. Oh, I erased it. We want to find this distance, right? But we don't have any information. So because we can't figure out the diagonal, it's not just like counting boxes. We have to go down boxes. And how many boxes did I go down? I went down 3 boxes. We have to go right to connect. Also 3 boxes. So now, is this a triangle? Yes. And what am I trying to find? My hypotenuse. So I have an A that's a 3 and a B that's a 3. So now I'm going to plug those in. So I have an A, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. An A that's a 3, a B that's a 3, and I need to find C. So we know 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. And remember, we take the square root because we want what just C is. And the square root of 18 is about round to the 10th place. So rounding to the first decimal is about 4.2. So that's what we know C is. Okay. All right, so I'm going to erase my triangle. That way I see in case I use the points again. All right, so let's go to the next one. We want to find the distance between D and K. Well, we have to find those first. D is over here. K is over here. Connect the dots. We go down a bunch. So we go down 1, 2, 3, 4. And we go over a bunch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We go over 6. And we always want to find the hypotenuse. So we want to find C. Okay. So we have A squared plus B squared equals C squared. The sides are 6 and 4. Okay. So now that we have that, finish finding that value. So find what C is. All right. Did you get 7.2? Hopefully. All right, let's do one more. I want you to try this one on your own. Number 3. Try number 3 on your own. The points between B and R. B and R on your own. Hopefully you got side lengths of 5 and 2. If not, check yours against mine. But we're going to keep on going. So keep on going on your. Did you get 5.4? Well, you got 5.4 as your answer. All right, we're going to skip 4 and 5. So let's keep on going. So, hold on. So this side's a little different. We're given 2 ordered pairs. Remember, an ordered pair goes x, comma, y. And that relates to the axes. We always go to the x-axis first, and then the y-axis. Okay? So we always go left and right first, then up and down. So we're going to have to plot the ordered pairs and then find the distance. So plot the ordered pairs and then find the distance. Okay. And it tells us around to the 10th place, which is helpful. So let's start by plotting some points. Right. We have 2, 4. So remember, we go left to the positive 2, and then y is up to 4. So we go up to 4, and that's where we put a point. Because we always start at 0, 0. And then the other one is x and y, remember, -1, -3. So we're going to put a point there. And now we have 2 dots that we're going to connect and make a triangle out of, just like we did before. And now we find the value of those triangles or those sides, right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 down. And 1, 2, 3 sideways. Okay. And we trying to find our C value. So now we just plug that into the formula, right? Which I think you could probably do on your own at this point, but I'll write it out. So we have 7 and 3. So 7 times 7 is 49. 3 times 3 is 9. 49 plus 9 is going to give us 58. Square root. Square root. C equals about 7.6. All right. So do the same thing for number 2. Try number 2 right now. Start by plotting those points, drawing a triangle. All right, so hopefully this is what your triangle looks like, right? Okay, so you got a side length of 2 and 9, so let's find C. So try that now. All right, so hopefully you got 9.2 there. 9.2 was your answer. I want you to do one more for me. Try number 3. Try number 3 all on your own, okay?